In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft PowerPoint in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Tables are a great way to organize information and present data clearly, whether you're comparing items, listing schedules, or summarizing results. Start by choosing the slide where you want the table to appear. If you need a new slide, go to the Home tab and click New Slide. From the Layout options, select Title and Content. This layout is perfect because it gives you a dedicated space for your slide title along with a content placeholder that makes inserting a table quick and straightforward. Type your slide title at the top to set the context for your audience. Then, in the main content area, click the Insert Table icon. You'll see a dialog box where you can choose how many columns and rows you want. Think about the categories you need across the top and how many entries you expect to list. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can add more rows later as your table grows. Once your table appears, begin by entering your column headings in the first row, like names of categories or labels that explain what each column contains. Then move on to filling in your data. As you type, use the Tab key to move from one cell to the next across the row. When you reach the last cell of the final column, pressing Tab again will automatically create a new row, which is a quick way to keep adding information without interrupting your flow. If you prefer a more controlled approach to expanding your table, you can right-click inside any cell, hover over Insert, and choose Insert Rows below. This is especially helpful if you realize you need another row in the middle of your work or after reviewing your content. When your data is in place, take a moment to customize the look of your table. At the top of the screen, you'll find options to change colors, styles, and themes. Try a style that complements your slide design and maintains good contrast for readability. A clean, consistent design helps your audience focus on the content, not just the formatting. And that's it. Your table is created, filled, and styled, all within a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.